Today we'll show you how to change the currency on Etsy, allowing you to view prices in your preferred currency. Let's begin. Step 1. Visit Etsy.com. Start by visiting the Etsy website at www.etsy.com and ensure that you're logged out of your account if you're already signed in. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Scroll down to the bottom of the Etsy homepage. There, you'll find a section labeled Currency or Currency Preferences. Step 3. Click on the current currency. In the Currency or Currency Preferences section, click on the current currency displayed. This will usually be in the currency currently set for the website. Step 4. Select your preferred currency. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of available currencies. Scroll through the list and click on the currency you want to use for Etsy. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferred currency, Etsy will automatically update the website to display prices in the chosen currency. You may need to confirm your selection or save your preferences. Step 6. Check the currency. Navigate around the Etsy website to ensure that the currency has been successfully changed. All prices should now be displayed in your selected currency. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency on Etsy, allowing you to shop and view prices in your preferred currency. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.